Now up to their knees. Come on.
This is great.
This is so amazing. It is deep. They don't care. Woohoo!
I'm joking. Hi, Are you still trying to get a picture of Trev?
I'm videoing all these birds that are tormenting Early. They're all up in the trees, making Early nuts.
Come on.
Whoop. Sorry, Early. Can't go out there. Little birds need water and seed.
You're still taking up all the room. You should know. Where are you going from here? Oh, man, I walked into the snow pile. She is going to dig in that. She's going into the snow pile. Going into the snow.
Going up.
You're still taking up all the room. You should know. Where are you going from here? Oh, man, I walked into the snow pile. Going to the snow pile. She is going to dig in that. She's going into the snow pile. Going into the snow.
Going up. Gertie, what are you doing? What was your plan? Gertie, you gotta get out of there. Come on. Back. Gertie, back. Come on. Gotta get out of there. Come on. You're too big. Oh, Gertie. Go back up. Come on, go back up. Back up. Back. 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 Back it out. No tack room, Gertie. Not you too. I thought you were the good one. What a nice stall, Charlotte. Whose stall is that?
Little.
Oh. It's so ready for her. Whose stall is that?
Nora's.
Nora.
Whose is this?
It's Fenzi's disaster stall because she's gonna make a big mess. There she is. She's yawning. She's tired. I'm ready for bed.
I'm gonna give you a. Wait, no, wait. Daddy, since we're playing wood, this is how we do it.
We'll give each Char first. Char wins all the time.
I know, it's so unfair. That's it.
Skip me. Char, do you have a green? Two. Green, 2.
Wait. I'm gonna close here. I gotta look through it.
This is speed. Isn't it?
Yellow. Yes. Sure, I don't know why you did that. Just because I'm gonna beat you, smush you on the floor, and then you're eaten with a slug on
Yellow
wall.
4. Char, yellow 4.
Beautiful.
Yellow 6.
This is heavy. I would.
Mm.
No one has legs.
Skip Char. Red.
What? Why do you keep asking? Okay, have one get please 2, please. For the 4, I don't have any 4s.
It's my turn. It's my turn, Char.
You pick this.
Quinn, your turn. Oh, my turn. 6 or 9. Blue 6, 9, 7. Oh, what color?
Yellow.
Yellow. You have a yellow Quinn. 0 green. Ah, I draw.
What? People take it like that.
Oh.
Put it over there on top of the 0. You have a 5.
Wait,
Hi, girls. And Jeremy, the guardian, right in the front. What a good rooster you are, Jer Bear. What's that? That's a Carmy. A majestic Carmy. Hello. What are we having?
And salmon, seaweed,
Salmon
rice,
bowls,
broccoli,
rice,
teriyaki.
teriyaki salmon. Wow. All right.
Quinn helped make it. Make dinner.
Okay.
I made the rice.
She made more than just the rice.
Fuck.
Just like this.